Hey guys, so common question that comes about a lot is how do I calculate my position size towards the amount of risk that I want to use? So how do you predetermine the size of the position you're going to use before you open it? Well, you can use a calculator such as the one on my FX book. You can literally go on myfxbook.com, navigate to the top where it says home, put your cursor over that, go to Forex calculators, and then you have a whole bunch of different calculators here, including a compounding calculator, pip calculator, and the one we're looking at is position size calculator. So you then click on position size calculator and it will open up this page for you. The only thing you really need to focus on is this area here and the sizing. The sizing is going to tell you how many units you need to input into your trading platform, and then the money's going to just tell you how much it equivalates to. So depending on the currency you're trading, in this case, let's say it's Euro USD, and let's say your currency on your trading platform is in US dollar. Your trading platform, let's say, has 100,000 US dollars in it, and you want to trade, keep it simple, 1% risk per trade. So we only want to be risking 1% per trade. You do also have the option to swap it to money and choose £100 or £1,000 per trade, which will then do the maths for you instead and give you the risk reward ratio percentage rather than the monetary figure. So I'll show you that in a second, but for now we'll look at it in percentage. Looking at 1%, and let's say that every 50 pips is going to be 1%. And for example, trade size, this will be your lot size. So in this case, it's 100,000 units, which is the standard for most MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 platforms. However, if you're not sure, you can right click on the instrument, any instrument on your MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform, click on specification, and then under something called contract size, which should be the third one in the row, it will basically then tell you the figure in lots. So usually it's 100,000. If it's more or less, you can then amend this by clicking it over here and then change it. But even so, one is the standard, and then we click calculate, and then it basically tells me if I input 2 lots into my trading platform, it's then going to give me the option to have £1,000 risk at 50 pip stop loss, and that's basically as easy as it is. Once again, if we did this with the money situation and we wanted to see, we can input how much it is, £1,000 in risk for 50 pips. It will then do it, say that's 1% of your account, and the lot size would be 2. So we would then input 2 lots, and that would be our $1,000 US dollar risk. And that's really simple and straightforward to use. So that's basically it for Forex. This covers all your generic Forex pairs and your commodities. However, it doesn't cover indices. If you wanted to trade indices, you would then have to move over to cashbackforex.com. And then you basically at the top have tools, and you also have a bunch of different calculators, including the Forex calculator. But this one has the calculator for your indice pairs, and a few other pairs amongst them as well. So it's actually pretty good to use. You know, there's a few cryptos in there as well. So I personally use both my Forex book and Cashback Forex, and then it basically works the same way. So you would basically input your US dollar amount, so your deposit currency is US dollars. We'd then have 100,000, and then we put 1% risk, for example, and then let's say it will tell you what is the USD GBP USD quote price. So you'd have to input that there, and then you put open price, your stop loss price, and calculate it. Once again, this one is a little bit more work compared to the other one. However, you know, no financial decision should be a rush decision, so you should have enough time to calculate this and then trade from a level of abundance. But anyway, so that basically just kind of covers the calculators. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions or anything, please drop a comment below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, because I will post some more videos like this which could potentially be very helpful for you. Have a nice day, and catch you in the next video.